Hey y'all, welcome to another video. This is our third video. We're excited to have you guys today here. Do you guys have anything to say?
We're hungry.
Yeah, we're
Me
hungry.
too.
Let's do our pozole, because I brought some for y'all.
Ooh,
Yeah.
okay.
Sharing.
We see our teammates here. They're sharing, and sharing is caring, they said. So,
Let's see what happens.
all right. Well, see you guys in a bit.
You guys.
Thinking cricket.
Jesus. Okay, let's see how this cuts.
Yep. You guys want to try this one? To cut it?
Yeah.
Yeah, definitely.
Okay.
Yeah, we could cut out the white version after. I sent in 2 pieces of paper, so we're all good. And for any of you guys who do not know how to export a vector as a PNG, Milagros will show you right now.
Okay, so let me just eliminate all this,
All the other tabs.
all the other tabs. Make sure you have it in the artboard, and the other designs we're gonna move them around. So we're just gonna try out our, or maybe I can just do this, and then those
Look
are a
at
lot
all
of
those
layers.
layers.
Definitely. I'm gonna move them. So you see at the right corner, I don't know if you can see, but I'm gonna be
I'll
moving
probably
them.
zoom
So,
in somewhere.
actually need to align it so we can come back, and if we need to redesign the text, we can. So so it can be
All together.
all together as a group. And make sure this does not touch at all. And we should be good to go. Let me see what's going on here. Okay, there you go.
I got scared because there was like a legit rectangle right there.
Yeah, normally Photoshop and Illustrator sometimes does this where you zoom in and then you get like random shapes, but it's just the tool.
It's scary when that
does
happens.
It sometimes it's scary, yeah. But you know what? We got it done.
File, export
Alright,
as.
so now we have this single item here. So
Yep.
now we're gonna export as a PNG.
Export as.
And then we have the name here. I'm gonna do it in my desktop PNG and then just export. And then okay.
Transparent.
And then once we have that, don't mind my desktop, y'all. But
Don't worry, I'll paddle up so they don't have to look
She's
at it.
busy.
yeah,
She's
I'm
busy.
Okay,
We'll
so
panel
we have
up.
our PNG.
There you
here,
go,
y'all.
I panel
oh, no,
down.
it's not that one.
I'll paddle back up. I don't remember what we called
it's
it.
that one. It's that one. Yeah. It's
Here
that
we
one,
go. We're
but,
paneling back down to the desk.
It looks small, right? Or does it not look small?
It does look small, because when you blew it up,
Yeah.
it got really pixelated.
So what we can do is just, I think the size is too small, so we can probably make it a little bit bigger.
Hit that.
Yeah.
Let me see.
In Photoshop or in Illustrator?
Illustrator. Oh no. Yeah.
Because I saw you opening up Photoshop. I'm like, are you sure?
Did I not say it correctly? Let me see. I'm just gonna make it bigger.
Yep. I'm gonna hit.
Option. Don't make me nervous, y'all.
It's
No.
okay.
Oh my god.
No, you're good.
You're
Okay.
all good.
Okay, let's make another layer here. After that layer, we're gonna close off this one. I need this one, or yeah, that one. Maybe this one. Move it. We're gonna click shift and then maximize it in size. Do it again. Let me see. Y'all see this?
They should be able to see
Whoa.
this. My hands are
So
very.
for sizing purposes, I will be making the artboard a little bit bigger because I do want our vectorized file to look the best when printing. So let's edit this artboard. Artboard options, and then we can, yeah, it's pretty small, so we're gonna
8
go
by
ahead.
11 at least.
8 by 11 at least to be able to get this. Oh, what is?
Maybe it was other way around. 11.
No, I put 1. Sorry, y'all.
Oh, I was gonna say.
Okay.
There we go. Beautiful.
So this should be a great size to be able to export.
Yeah.
We want the maximized size because if you do a smaller size, it's gonna look pixelated once you have it as a PNG, even though it's a vectorized file.
Exactly. The reason why we do 8.5 by 11 is because that's a standard size sheet of paper that Cricut accepts currently in our small Cricut setup over there. Ooh.
Okay, so we want to replace it. Yes, replace.
Please.
Okay, I'm saving my file, and then after that, I'm gonna export it as a PNG, and then it should look good.
It should look.
If it doesn't, then you know,
Transparent background.
it is gonna look good.
It's gonna look good. My designs came out like okay. They came out okay. Oh, and it's only because
you were working with what you got.
I was working with what I got before Milagros had made the
Y'all see
PNG.
this?
There it is.
Y'all see
Beautiful.
this? Okay. That's beautiful. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and send it to the chat.
So I can export it.
So you
in
can
Cricut.
export it, princess,
Yep.
and then we'll get it printed and see what comes out. What the final prototype looks like.
With Milagros and Andrea, this is our chat space. I'm going to download this. Open image, new tab, and we are going to save image.
Yeah. Be aware of the sizes that you do the logos, because sometimes when you do small sizes, it can come out really pixelated, and even though you do it as a vectorized file. So make sure you take that into consideration and implement a bigger size into your design.
All right. Now that Cricut's finally working, you're going to hit down here in this little upload. And then we're going to go upload images. And then you can browse or drag your files here. And hit browse. And we're going to go to, I believe, desktop, where I saved it as Floral 3 PNG. I'm going to open that, pop her in. Doesn't she look fabulous?
Oh my gosh.
And then we're going to hit apply and continue. And then we're going to go for a flat graphic because we got no money for this. Okay.
Yeah.
So
and
we're going
need to print it and then cut it. So that's the
upload.
The option, the best option that we should click.
We set up vinyl to go over this.
Yeah.
And now here I'm just adjusting it to the correct size, which was like 6.75 by 4 inches. So I'm just going to get a rough estimate of that. Roughly 6.6, 6 point. That's about the right length. We're going to make it. Yes, we sound very aggressive because we are tired.
Oh my gosh.
So, and we have to be very careful because our sticker paper, again, as we mentioned, cuts like exactly around the halfway mark. So we kind of just have to reposition her just a little bit. But we got it done because we're amazing. So we're going to put her all the way down here because I feel more confident there. I'm going to continue. Our Cricut machine's already turned on and plugged in the background. It's doing her magic. And we're going to send this to the printer. This is our printer. And should we print out 2 copies? Just in case?
Yeah, you can.
We're going to print out 2 copies, which is 2 sticker papers in the machine. And then it's printing currently. I guess we'll get to go bug Hashim and the others if they're in there.
There it is now.
Yes.
Oh my gosh.
Woohoo.
Hey. We got it done, y'all.
We did it. I'm gonna go get the thingy, the paper time, and I'm gonna take you guys with me. Oh okay, so here we go. This is part of our office space. And can you tell that I don't know how to record while walking? Yes, yes you can. Anyways, we're gonna see if our printer is here. Hashim, say hi.
Hello.
Hello, this is Hashim. He's great.
I'm Hashim. I guess I'm great. Who am I talking to?
It's just the camera so we can put it on our YouTube.
Oh, okay.
We have our magical stickers, guys, and look at them. Look at them. They look great. Look at the quality. This is why you need a vectorized image. Look at them. Look at them. Might have to reprint because it kind of cut off the side, but that is what we're going for when you're printing stickers. Look at that. Just showing you guys more what we do. Here's non-gender bathrooms. There's my team. Okay. Hello.
Okay.
It came out pretty good. It kind of cut off to the edges right here just a little bit, but we could just easily lower the size in Cricut.
Wonder why. Oh, because it's
so wide.
That, or did you press bleed?
I didn't press bleed. I hit flat image. Maybe unless I did press bleed, but it's weird because it shouldn't be like that. Should we just cut these out and see how they turn out at least? Okay. So here we go on to the next part.
Smooth.
It's never smooth. I was talking to our audience about the process of sticker making. It's just very difficult. Anyway, it's tedious, it's difficult, but it's worth it. So here we're going to have it on our sticker mat. I'm doing this with one arm currently. But what your main goal is to line up.
Let me get
Help.
phone.
Help.
Okay.
I don't know if it's that working.
Yeah, it is.
Okay. And then we're going to line this up. Ignore that our board is so dirty. It's called It's Been Used. It has a lot of love. Whoop. We're going to load her up in here. And computer's this way. Cardstock, adhesive, tools. I think we're all set to go. So we get to hit this button and it should work. Gonna help it sometimes. It will start reading the barcodes, which is at the bottom of the paper, because that is how he printed it out. So here she goes. Going to be created into a beautiful masterpiece. And then I guess we tackle the words next.
Words, yeah.
Yeah.
What do you think is going to be the more effective way of
Or words.
getting them clean? We're going to have to vectorize them too.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Hot damn.
What I can do is, you know where it says Lorrie Ann? That could be vectorized. However, the text down, the one that said, what does it say down there?
On the bottom, esthetician. Aesthetics.
Aesthetics. Okay. Okay, so that can probably be done with actual text.
Like typed it out?
Typed it out instead of actually going in there and making it vectorized. It would be the best option to find a similar font that can replace that.
I could try and find similar fonts. I'm good at
If
fonts.
she knows.
If she knows the font?
We can probably ask her.
Yeah.
If she doesn't, then we could go ahead and look for a text. We can probably find the same font if we go into Adobe and search it
There's
up.
like a thing where you could like submit a picture and they would find the font for you.
I think such things exist. We just need to find like a good website to find it.
Look it up.
Yeah.
Because I think I found like the same font for the Frenda Festival when I was trying to do like a mock-up for something. And I found it, but I don't remember if I had to pay for it and I didn't end up buying it.
Not worth it.
It's not worth it.
Interesting.
It's gonna be pretty good. It's gonna be good.
Did it cut the
We're gonna see.
corners or no? Yeah, so it did have a bleed.
Huh. Damn. Okay. Yeah. That was not. And
It was probably the settings that you chose didn't notice the bleed, but sometimes it does that.
Ooh, it puts bleeds on me.
But that's the best option because you don't get no white border.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you did great.
Tis delicate.
Tis delicate.
Oh, ooh, that looks nice.
Clean.
Clean. Okay.
There it is, guys. Look at her.
Hey,
It looks good.
it looks great.
Actually, cut out pretty far. I think we got it.
Yeah.
I could put in the second one in the printer just in case we like mess it up.
No, this looks world better. Wow.
Yeah, you could do a compare contrast if you want to.
I just want to look at the color. I'm a freak.
Go look at the deals.
Oh yeah, and it's like way bigger too.
Is it?
Yeah.
Damn.
Why does this look squished? It's like different sizes.
Mm-hmm.
Hold on.
Did we stretch it out right?
Recording.
I'll keep recording. We're back with the camera. Why are they going? Is it the same or do we have to stretch it out like lengthwise?
Exactly, everyone gets stretched out. So this is the reference. And it like fits perfectly.
Huh.
But the other one, I don't know what happened. Well
So
done.
it's good?
Yeah, this is perfect.
Perfect.
Hey.
Woo! We did it, guys.
Yes.
Delightful. There's a hole in the floor.
Yeah.
This hole, we're gonna fall into said hole.
Jesus.
Just one bounce.
Ooh, let me see. I want to see it there.
On the door? Well, we don't have anything, but it will sit here, and then we'll have a text
Okay.
underneath.
Yeah.
We're basically doing it to, like, yeah. Never?
Carol's never busy, guys. That's
Yeah, right. She's a whiz.
Mm-hmm.
It's
And they had to
vectorized.
recreate the gradient and everything.
Camera.
Ta-da!
Ta-da, see, full control. You got that one.
You got
Now I have to do the text.
Yep.
Screens.
Yeah.
Very cool.
Mm-hmm. There's Carolina.
We're getting things done.
Yes.
Getting things done. That's right.
Woohoo. Bye-bye. There's Carol. Here we go. Back inside. I don't know, because I literally did it. You know how you hit command or control, and then you stretch it out so it doesn't lose its shape? Mine's still stretched out like that.
Hell. Wonder. Maybe that's what also made it extra weird.
Yeah.
Because this is stretched out too. This one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hopefully adding the vinyl to it will make it a little bit, give it a little bit more structure.
It should.
Because these are hard to peel.
Because I did hit like cardstock
I'm
adhesive.
peeling this. I'm going to see if this will stick to something.
I hit cardstock adhesive, but we could end up. Oh.
You're like, what?
Oh.
You should do the other one instead.
Oh, what? That one? No.
They want the quality sticker.
No, that one's the one that's not
Yeah.
vectorized.
Oh, the non-vector.
Yeah.
Okay.
What do I cover up the... Haha, that'd be funny.
The apple.
Oh,
Looks like a fan.
it does. I want to see. Yeah, it's going to be hard to place it because it's got a lot of points where it sticks.
You just slap it on with confidence.
Oh.
That's the key.
Okay, so what we're gonna do, we're not gonna do that. We're gonna actually use transfer tape, which is a tape where you can put it on top of the design,
Mhm.
and then once you massage it, that's how we called it. Once you massage it and then remove it from the transparent tape,
Mhm.
the design will stick to the transparent tape, and then that's when we're gonna go into the door and press on it, and then from there it's gonna stick on the door. And it should be good.
Mhm.
What are we doing?
Huh? Oh, we're peeling the decal.
Oh, yeah.
We're peeling the decal very, very, very slowly.
Just be careful with it.
Yeah. Help me, SpongeBob.
Wow.
Ooh.
This is tedious.
It's a little bit hard to see what we're doing, but it's a decal for Lorrie Ann's aesthetics.
She's like a medical esthetician.
Yeah, and she wanted a decal that is white with their logo, which is, let me see, we printed this design to be on top, and then the decal here to be at the bottom of this design here. So we're gonna connect it and you'll be able to see how it's gonna look in the actual door. So we'll see. Right now I'm working on a project, as y'all can see. It looks funny.
Just cut off the excess so we can feel better.
Yeah.
Yeah, as you guys can see, we have the decal going on here.
This is like a little bit evil.
Ooh. It's really hard to see it, but it's happening, y'all.
Some of these are tiny.
Yeah.
Perfect.
All right, so we're gently removing the transfer tape so we can get the decal there. Look at that. It looks amazing. I love it.
So far, so good. I'm such a, I'll deal with that issue once I get to it kind of person. Super nerve-wracking.
But hey, it's satisfying once it's there.
Satisfying once it is there.
I can cut off the excess that you already peeled off so it doesn't really stick to the other parts of the aesthetics.
You're smart.
Another one. Oh, okay.
Okay, sounds good.
Sure.
So right now, Yadriel is putting the decal in the door.
I know I'm not talking much, like
That's
completely zoned in.
Yeah, we're focused, y'all. We're focused.
Yes, there's so many tiny little pieces.
Yeah.
'Cause it's like really delicate.
It took quite a while because it is so delicate, and it's like a design that it was custom made. We did not have a vectorized file, so we had to recreate it and create a vectorized file for this organization here, which is called Lorrie Ann's Aesthetics.
That's on top. What the hell?
What do you mean on top? Like,
This T is on top of the transfer tape, so I'm gonna have to go this way and then peel that up
Okay.
and get it to stick.
Sounds
We're gonna
good.
do surgery.
Yes.
don't get surgery unless you really need it.
Don't worry, this door really needs it. I'm so sane. I'm the most sane person to ever walk this earth.
Oh no. We're being gentle here because we want
Every
a
detail to stay.
really good decal to be in our doors, so we want every little detail.
Distribution of St. Mary's Church twice a week, and weekly at the Salvation Army. And all of that. I just make 2 cents. I just added a drawing on the chat that was.
Oh my gosh. It's so beautiful. Look. Come here, Darla. You guys are freaking awesome.
Thank you.
I knew there was a reason why we waited so long. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.